All right, Nuke, we got the new Typhon out here. It's new to us. Okay, this is a brushed model right here. Of course, this is the clipless style that's ready for a brushless setup. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna run it brush first. We're gonna run this one brush first. We have a monster truck series that we already have going on with this, and we're gonna feature some bigger trucks with that, different brands, but we have a bunch of ARRMAs for that. So it's gonna be a different type of series. Over here we have this one. What we're going to do first is we might go 22 and then we're going to do 26 tooth. I have a 90 amp brush ESC that we'll throw on here, and we're even going to try to run a 3S on that brushed motor. We'll do all of that, drag passes, everything, and then finally we'll end up going brushless. But this is for everyone who wants to hook things up, get them going. You don't have to spend a bunch of money. Get you a couple pinions, a couple fans, still run fast. This is never gonna be this clean again. Like I said, this one is fresh out the box, brand new. We do have a 5,000 mile 2S in here. So GPS is on. We're gonna run everything, see what we got. Let's get a verification on our GPS. We're tracking. All right, start, read. My last run in a different vehicle. Track, in, read, zeroed out. All right, track, start. We're gonna get running.
You gonna race?
I guess we can start out with a race. Come on, man. All right. I'm on.
We should get lined up third this time.
You good, Luke? Uh-oh. That reverse always strong, huh, bud? You ready? One. I'm on 50%. What you on?
I'll go on 50.
Put on 50. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's kind of the same.
Yep.
Which one's faster? I think yours is faster on 50.
I think that was right about the same, Nuke.
I think this piece is just a little
right.
bit faster. You want to do 70?
Hold on, let's check the GPS real quick. So let's end, read. 19 miles an hour. All right. You got that, Nuke? 19 on 50%. So we're gonna track.
So you want to do 75?
See, we're tracking. All right, everyone see we're tracking. Start. All right, we're gonna run another race.
75?
Yes, sir. We're going on 75, Nukester.
All right. One.
Hold on.
Okay.
We gotta look for the car. No car. You can't sit down.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hold on. Wait. My bad, buddy. Come on before your battery go dead. 1, 2, 3, go.
You beat me.
Barely. So of course this model has the all right. Of course, this has the 14 turn instead of the 12 turn. So we're gonna end, read, 22 miles per hour. All right, Nuke, we're gonna go to 100%. What's your prediction? Track, start.
32.
32? Oh, no. It's gonna be more like 25 maybe. We're not going another battery. This is still just 2S. But you ready to put yours on 100%?
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, I had to come back, but that's pretty much good same speed. And I put in the description, of course, these Gorgons are not new by any means. So everyone has seen and kind of knows the spec of the Gorgon, but I'll put it up in the description about the KV of that motor, that brushed motor, and you know, those things. So we get us a little turn up session. Bring it down here, Nuke. Let me see you cut up a little bit. Go ahead and move it. There we go. So that brushed motor is not bad at all. Of course, for young people like my son right here, he's 9 years old. And of course he can handle these full speed. Usually. Let me know if a car coming, Nuke. You didn't tell me. I'm sitting down so I can get better footage, okay? But yeah, that's pretty dead straight. I can set that a little better. But like that Gorgon has a nice pull. And we're gonna bring this back and we're gonna check that GPS. So good for races. And you can see that boy can control that thing. That's me driving the Typhon. All right, we're gonna go in. What was your prediction, Nuke? We are recording, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay. 32? No, I say 25. 26 max.
Oh, it's not on the camera.
No, just touch the screen.
No, it's like, yeah, that's good.
That's better. 23.
Oh.
That's cool. That's what we expected. It's a brush motor, Nuke. Let's do a drag pass.
Okay.
All right. We're gonna do a 132-foot drag pass. We're gonna get it a little flat.
You want to switch to see if it's the driver?
No, these cars are like the same. It's the same brand. I know you the man. All right, so we're tracking. 1, 2, 3, go.
I started late.
Yeah, I know. I'm just doing the track thing. I wasn't really just racing. But they're definitely very even matched. Typhon handles excellent. Handles better than that one. I got this, that we're up here running fast, and I put this aluminum steering in it. But we'll have an update on that in a few minutes as well. And we're gonna read. So that was 480 at 22 miles per hour. Of course, we have our little trucks running harder than that, but that was the actual 132-foot drag pass. So it'll be accurate as far as in relation to an actual drag run. So that's all we're doing on this. Like I said, this is gonna be a mini series on ARRMAs and things to that nature. This will definitely go through 2 upgrades at least. With it'll go through at least 2 upgrades. That'll go through an upgrade, but we're gonna have fun on them brushed. We're gonna push this thing with a few pinions and see how much it can handle, see if it can handle 3S. After that, of course, it's ready for the upgrade with the internals. With this version of the brushless, brushed, they're already ready for a brushless upgrade.
Look at the suspension.